Hey everyone, it's UB. I just want to go through this short setup here. Oops, I'm on the wrong screen. But a short signal that I gave my group a few moments ago. Actually, about 40 minutes ago now. I'm still trying to get one more ask filled. I'm not sure if it will get filled, but regardless, I'm in a 7K position now, which I'm happy with. But anyway, here's what I see right now. The 15-minute chart looks pretty topped off. So we have I'm not going to really refer this as a head and shoulders, more like a double top though, which is kind of the same thing, but regardless, we have one top here and then we come down. But what I really want to point out is the volume. The buy volume here is significant, right? For us to test this top. Now look at the buy volume on this right shoulder, I guess, even though it's not a head and shoulders, but you could see the volume on the right shoulder on this uptrend, which was a pretty decent move. It was for about 1%. But now I think this is pretty topped off. There's some confluence over here that I don't need to go through right now because this is the main focus. So this was supposed to be a scalp, but after I noticed this, I think we'll be able to sell this down here at 69.36. So let me show you another reason why I think this is topped off. Obviously, we have this high traffic area right here, and it's kind of just above that there. But this is what I would call a relief bounce. Okay, so we got down here to up here is about a 4.5% move, which is a pretty decent move. If we don't include that wick, it's just over a 4% move. So let's see, the last time we needed a relief bounce like this is when we broke structure here temporarily. We took out these lows, broke structure here, and then the relief bounce that followed was 4.5% exactly. So this is why I feel like this is a relief bounce and we're pretty topped off. I think we'll be able to bank this for nearly a 2.5% move. I'll be looking to take 5K contracts there, and then the other 2K probably in this must bounce area. I hope that explains my thinking. The EMAs really didn't help me with this trade at all. I should have taken them off the chart. I apologize. But regardless, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message.